Demolition Pit Tech 2. Woods Net Live E once again. Smashed all this off yesterday. Well, today we have these boys here! Crazy! This is what I'm doing right now, boys. Just taking all this wall off here. Right way across. Like that done. Get it smashed in. Just been taking the plaster off this wall here, vibrating. Look at this, guys. Shiny brickworkers. Shiny brickworkers. It's like, look at it. It's like sand. It's supposed to be concrete.
Render.
Crack little rendering. Crack job. Look, just come on the other side, guys. Watch, I'll show you the other side, boys. Go on the other side. Watch the next look. Look at this. Look at that. Right up to the top. All the way down here. What's that all about? Shit builders, shit rendering. Watch out for the cowboys. What is he pointing at? Building time. Smashing. Peloton, let's go. Them two have just been foremans, don't have a clue what they're doing. Just look and see what's happening. So there, smashing up again. Mark's birthday today. Happy days. Happy birthday, Mark. Unlucky. The gaffer man's talking.
I don't know when the reveals are. Reveals. You know, like, see, like, I'll take the shit off. Just where the kitchen.
Still that kind of shit, eh?
Like, you know, bits like this, that's been fucking where the plank work was and stuff like that. Brackets.
Got a bolster?
Aye, Jason's got one, I think.
It's fucking like that big thing around.
Oh, exactly, aye. I've got a bolster, I'll do it with the bolster, like, it's easy enough.
Like it.
Aye, like a sill.
Like it.
Brackets. I just say fucking just a clean really, you know, where sockets and beam.
I'll finish that bit up there.
As soon as we've had the bait, see it's like we'll have the bait first.
Like the sound of that bait.
What time is bait?
What time's bait? 3 o'clock,
What's
isn't
me trick?
Yeah, fucking YouTube, right?
Cuckoo, cuckoo. See this guy here? It's 24 today, guys.
24.
24.
It's my happy birthday today.
Big happy birthday. Hip hip away.
I'm 38, believe it or not.
Right, he's only just turned 24, trust me.
Right, so as I was ready out, just getting ready.
These guys collected or they've been
Just getting bin. The whole lot's getting bin, what's been ripped out.
fucking thrown away.
Loving it.
Yeah man, smashing it up man, smashing it up. Smashing it up. Things you gotta do, things you gotta do. Have it. Have it man, fucking have it. Have it.
I like it nice and taut.
Nice and hot. It's not jam tart, it's hot. It's not jam tart, it's hot.
I like it nice and taut. I think I need a shite.
The pussycat's talking now. Well guys, that's the end of the night tonight. All finished up. Smashed all this room off right here. Right way around. Doing right to the windowsill. Right way around. So that's been done today. So thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe. Please check my channel out. Keep on through. And I will get to see you soon guys. Don't forget to hit the hit button. Leave a comment or leave a comment. Take it all easy guys. It's an air out. Hasta la vista baby.